This video shows you how to make stopped dados with the PowerLift Pro. A stopped or blind dado is much like a regular dado, except the dado doesn't go all the way to the edge of the board. Through dados like this one can be made using a table saw or router. A stopped dado is usually made with a plunge router because the dado needs to start on the interior of the board. The ends of the dado can be squared with a chisel so that the mating piece fits. Making stopped dados with a handheld plunge router and a jig is a good method because the plunge router can start the cut anywhere on the board. The PowerLift Pro can simulate the action of a plunge router by raising the bit into the workpiece using the foot pedal. The stopped dado will be made in 2 passes. I have stored the bit height for the 2 passes in memory positions on the app. I start with the bit in the 0 position, which means the top of the bit is even with the top of the router table. Using the foot pedal, I raise the bit up into the workpiece. The lift will automatically stop at the first pass memory position. With the bit at the first pass height, I begin to move the board forward. I have indicator lines marked on tape that show me where to begin and end the cut. When I come to the end of the cut, I use the foot pedal to lower the bit back down to the 0 position so that I can safely remove the board. With the first pass complete, I repeat the procedure with the bit in the final pass position. When given a choice, I prefer using the router table over using a handheld router. There's improved safety, better dust collection, and easier setup. The PowerLift Pro allows you to do more on your router table by simulating the action of the plunge router. The PowerLift Pro, changing the way you work on the router table. For more videos on the PowerLift Pro or other great woodworking products, visit MLCSwoodworking.com.